Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to address a common concern. What to do when your Facebook account has been locked on your mobile. Don't worry, we have got you covered with some simple steps to help you recover it. Let's get started. Step number 1, understand the logout. The first thing you need to do is understand why your account got locked. Facebook usually locks account due to suspicious activity, security concern, or violating their policies. Step number 2, follow Facebook instructions. When your account is locked, Facebook typically guides you on how to recover it. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. They may ask you to verify your identity or reset your password. Step number 3, complete the security check. In many cases, you will need to complete a security check. This might involve identifying photos of your friends or verifying your identity through your mobile number or email. Step number 4, change your password. If requested, reset your password. Make sure it's a strong and unique. Avoid using easily guessable informations. Step number 5, contact Facebook support. If you can't recover your account through the automated process, reach out to Facebook support team. You can do this by visiting the help center on the Facebook website or through the mobile app. And finally, step number 6, be patient. Recovery can take some time, so be patient and wait for Facebook to review your case. Avoid submitting multiple requests as this can slow down the process. And that's it. This tip should help you recover your locked profile account on mobile. Remember, the key is to follow Facebook instructions and maintain a secure and respectful online presence. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further guidance, leave a comment below and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and good luck with recovering your Facebook account.